Hello everyone. In today video tutorial, I will tell you about mirror formula and I will explain the derivation of mirror formula for concave mirror producing real image only. Okay, so let's begin. Mirror formula. It is the mathematical relationship between object distance small u, image distance small v, and the focal length small f of a spherical mirror. This relationship is mathematically represented by 1 by small u plus 1 by small v equal to 1 by small f, where small u is the object distance, small v is the image distance, small f is the focal length. So in other words, this can be represented as 1 by image distance plus 1 by object distance equal to 1 by focal length. Then this formula is applicable for all kind of spherical mirror, means the mirror should be either concave mirror or convex mirror, that does not matter. Okay, irrespective of any type of mirror, it is hold good for all spherical mirror. Then mirror formula, we will derive mirror formula for concave mirror where the image is real image. Everyone know, in case of concave mirror we get only real image when the object is situated beyond C or at point C or in between center or focal length. So let's consider the object is situated beyond C. Derivation of mirror formula for a concave mirror when the image is a real image. So this is a concave mirror. AB is the object which is situated beyond C. Then P is the pole of the mirror. Small u is the object distance of object from pole. So it is the distance measurement will take in this direction, we will take distance measurement in this direction. All everyone know, in case of optics, according to sign convention, the incident ray will follow from left hand side to right hand side. So both are in opposite direction. That's mean the object distance will take negative sign. So small v is the image distance. It is also follow negative sign, and everyone know, in case of concave mirror, the focal length is negative. Then consider an object AB situated beyond C. This then a ray AM from the object travel parallel to the principal axis. The ray AM is traveling parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection it will pass through F, because the ray is traveling parallel to principal axis and it will follow in this direction. And then another ray AP is incident at the pole of the mirror, so the reflected ray will follow the law of reflection, and the reflected ray will follow in this direction. Both reflected rays are meeting at point at x, and the image at x b dash is created. Okay, look, the image is creating, or the image is created at the left hand side of the mirror, or we can say in front of the mirror. That's why the image is of what? Real image, inverted image. Okay, the image is smaller than the object. Then let's derive mirror formula using Cartesian sign convention. The sign convention is also said as Cartesian sign convention. Then object distance is minus u. Then image distance is minus v. Focal length is minus f. Radius of curvature Cp. Cp is radius of curvature. Distance between center of curvature and pole, or the radius of the hollow sphere is radius of curvature, is minus r, which is equal to minus 2f. Now in between triangle 8xbc and triangle ABC, look, in between triangle 8xbc, this triangle, and ABC, this triangle. Okay, look, angle ABC equal to angle 8xbc, both are 90 degree. Angle ACB equal to angle 8xCB, opposite angle. Okay, and then angle BAC equal to angle BAC, both are what? Alternate angle. Then both triangle are similar. That's mean the proportion of side should be equal. Then 8x bx by AB equal to CBx by BC. Look, 8x bx mean the height of the image. AB means the height of the what? Object, equal to CB C, look at the picture. CB means CP minus B P. Okay, then BC means BP minus CP. Look, CP is what? Radius. You can write minus r. B P is distance of image. You can write minus V. Then BP is object distance. You can write minus U. Then CP is radius of curvature, minus R. Then Ax Bx by AB equal to minus R plus B by minus U plus R, equation I. Then in between triangle 8x Bx P and triangle ABP. Look, in between these two triangle, angle APB equal to angle 8x P Bx, law of reflection. So I equal to R, that means angle APB equal to angle 8x P Bx. Then another two set of angle ABP equal to angle 8x Bx P. Then so triangle 8x Bx P is similar to triangle APB, which results 8x Bx by AB equal to Bx P by BP, where Bx P is image distance, which is represented by minus B. VP is object distance, which is represented by minus U. So from equation 1 and 2 we get minus R plus B by minus U plus R equal to V by U. Then we will do cross multiplication, which results minus UR plus UV equal to minus UV plus VR. Then VR plus UR equal to 2UV. Then we will divide both sides by UVR. So It is a step where we divide both sides by UVR, which is equal to VR plus UR by UVR equals to 2UV by UVR. Then VR by UVR equal to UR by UVR equal to 2UV by UVR. Then we will get 1 by U plus 1 by V equal to 2 by R. Equation third. Everyone know R equal to 2F. So equation third become 1 by U plus 1 by V equal to 1 by F, and hence mirror formula has been proved for concave mirror. So I will explain again the concept during the Zoom class, and we will solve some problem based upon this formula for concave mirror. Thank you.